What's better than chicken fried steak? Chicken fried ham, of course. So let's make this super delicious chicken fried ham with mashed potatoes and ham gravy. We'll get started by making our breading station. In one bowl, combine the breadcrumbs, parsley, paprika, cayenne, salt, and black pepper. You'll need another bowl of flour. And in the third bowl, whisk together the eggs and milk. Sprinkle both sides of the ham steak with kosher salt and black pepper. Then coat both sides in the flour. Place the meat into the egg and milk mixture, turning to coat. Finally, place it in the breadcrumbs and turn to coat. Now we'll cook our ham steaks. Heat oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Add the butter. Cook the ham steaks until the edges start to look golden brown, about 2 minutes on each side. Remove the meat to a paper towel-lined pan and keep them warm. Now we'll make our ham gravy. Pour off the oil into a heat-proof bowl. Without cleaning the skillet, return it to the stove over medium-low heat. Add 2 tablespoons of the oil back to the skillet with some butter and allow it to heat up. When the oil is hot, add the diced ham and sauté for a few minutes to get some nice color and flavor. Add the onions and garlic and continue to sauté until soft and nicely colored. Sprinkle the flour evenly over the hot pan. Mix the flour with the oil, cooking until golden brown. Pour in the milk, stirring constantly, and bring this to a simmer. Add the salt, lemon juice, and cayenne to taste, and cook, stirring constantly until the gravy is smooth and thick, 5 to 10 minutes. You can add more milk if it's too thick. Be sure to taste to make sure gravy is sufficiently seasoned. Now we're ready to serve. Plate the chicken fried ham with a side of mashed potatoes, your favorite vegetables, and the gravy on top. There you have it, chicken fried ham with mashed potatoes and ham gravy. Enjoy! Find this recipe and many more at ciaprochef.com/ham.